It's early. It's an early one. Guess what? Good things are happening today. So, you guys want to know the issues, we're all having with the Liberty. In order to actually track down a motor, trying to find one with low Ks was a bit of a challenge. I found two actually. Getting them here and trying to find out if they're genuine or not. So I'm still yet to actually break down the old EJ25 that was in the Liberty in the first place. As some of you guys might know, if you can't remember, but cylinder 1, 2, and 3 were pretty much up and around, your 101 to 110 mark, I believe it was. Cylinder 4 had zero compression. So, from the previous owner telling me that he had rebuilt the motor, me using a stethoscope, looking at the pistons, finding out that, they're standard EJ25 pistons, and they're not actually Y-scope pistons. You can see from the top of the hats of them, when a lot of people have changed the pistons or not, and if he's rebuilt it, he shouldn't have these issues by now unless he just doesn't know how to rebuild the motor, seat rings properly or whatever. But regardless, I just hate people that lie, that lie with that sort of stuff, but it is what it is. Something special today. Hey, we thought we only needed one little project here for the Liberty, but hey, I've come up on an opportunity for something, and I thought I would just jump on it anyways, because why not? I'll catch with you guys back in a minute when we see what's coming next. Earlier we would have been talking about how I was originally supposed to be getting just a motor. But little did I know, it was actually a lot easier to just get a whole nother car. Donor car? My car. Yeah, this car is obviously written off. Front end collision, stat write-off. But we have some goodies. Got a motor, and even better, 6-speed box. Got everything in here. Don't mind the front interior, guys. We've already started ripping some of this stuff out, hey, so this is probably about 10 minutes of just taking out the front seats. All in all, it's got a fair bit of parts on it that I'm going to be using. A lot of the seals. So this car was 2 owners, one person before me and me. I've just found it's got full logbook history. It's only got 188,000 on the car. It's clean. It's got a full exhaust system on it that I probably might not be using. I've got a whole new one. But these seats, the interior in this car is it's unreal. I'll just show you what I mean. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're dirty. But there's like pretty much no wear and tear on these seats compared to this thing, with your ripped interior, trashed interior, dirty ass carpet. So this stuff, whatever's coming out of this car, the Navman will stay there, but whatever's happening in this car is in this car, because this stuff is so much cleaner. And it's funny, I've just got off the phone with one of the owner that was previously before this that actually crashed the car. They got a completely bone stock from Subaru from 2007 all the way to 2017. That's when they decided to upgrade. They swapped it to Subaru back to a upgrade to a 2017 WRX, which I have the paperwork for, it's weirdly enough. So let's get started ripping the rest of the car out, eh? What I mainly want to talk about is what I'll be using in this car. Let me just have a seat here. There's a lot of in this car that's pretty much, literally probably maybe 95% of this car will be getting used. It had a door open, which is this one. There is no door here. and the window reg in the driver's side door was taken out, but nothing else was touched. There was a, by the looks out of a nav-man in the center dash there, but this thing is super clean, super tidy. I'm gonna get, you know, ripping out of it, and I'm taking pretty much everything out of this car. And what's going in this car, out of this car, is going in that car, because fucking why not? Let's get started. So yesterday I was having a bit of camera issues. Pretty much went to the point where we've got everything cleared in this car. Give you guys a bit of a rundown of what's done and what's left to be taken out of this car here. Back seats, front seats, most of the dash really. That part will stay there. Steering wheel's taken out. I don't need anything else in there. I might take a few more things out to sort of just compromise whatever else is there. Gearbox and running gear will be coming out probably not today, but most likely tomorrow. Give a bit of a rundown on what's left on this thing. Oh, it's locked. Anyways, as I was trying to say in some of the videos yesterday that actually got lost, if anyone knows where I can get a second-hand one of these, or if anyone has any spare, I do have driver's side, but I don't have passenger side because left side collision. So today's video, this outro was actually meant for yesterday's video, which will be going out today, and today will be another intro for today's video, but going out later today. That makes sense. 2 videos into one. Bit of an issue with this SD card. I don't know what happened, but video was lost. I couldn't use it. Bunch of editing for no reason, but hey, see you guys later on that one.